Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create new email address on Gmail. I'm show you on my Android phone because many users use Gmail from their Android phone or device. So if you are using iPhone, that also you can follow the same step. So I'll show you my Android phone. Let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below, guys. If you really like this video, please subscribe me. When you subscribe me, I will motivate and create good content for you. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see this is my Android phone. Just open the Gmail account. Every Android phone has Gmail account. Okay, just open it. And if you already account in your if you have already your email address login in, you can see like this. Just click on it, you can see your all email id. But now if you want to create new email address on your Gmail for your Android phone, or just click on add another account, and here you have to choose in Google. Click on Google. Now it's bring you the next page where they will ask you to login account. They are asking you the login account, but we are looking for create new address email address in Gmail. So just create account. Click on create account, myself or manage business, whatever you want to. I'm just myself. Okay, give your first name or last name. In my case, just this is just demo. Click on next. Now I have to select your date of birth or year. Select the gender. Click on next. This is default. This is by default email that Gmail show you, that you can choose from these. Okay, this is a suggestion from Gmail. Okay, you can choose from. If you choose out of these two Gmail, then this email id is your. Okay, so it is suggestion from Google. If you want to create new or another name of your username or Gmail, just click on create your own, and here you can create your own. Like I just create and next it. If it is available, then it will be next button will next option will be available. If this email id not available, it will be show red mark. Okay, so now you have to enter your password. After entering your password, just click on next. Okay, I just again enter. Okay, enter again, just click on next. So now my account has been created. Just you can skip it. Okay, this is your email id. Just click on next, agree term and condition. Okay, in this process, Google did not ask me my recovery email id or phone number, but you have to enter your phone number, recovery id. How to you can enter your recovery I will show you. Okay, so which email id I just created? Okay, this one. Click on it, then it will be come here like with initial name. Click on it, go to the manage your Google account. Now you have to enter your recovery email id and phone number, because it is very helpful when you lost your password or when you lost your access of your Google account. So if you have entered your recovery phone number or email id, it will be very easy to recover your email id. So just click on personal information. Now you have to click on this phone number, and now in phone number you have to enter your current password. Then next, then you have to enter your phone number. Okay, so there is no phone number, just add now, and you can add the phone number. Enter your current password, then click on next, then you can enter your phone number should be verified. One OTP will send on your phone number, then you have to verify. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.